Meaning of dressing down.
Dressing down.
Dressing down.
Dressing down.
Dressing down. Dressing down is an idiomatic expression that means to severely criticize or reprimand someone for a mistake or poor behavior. The result of a dressing down is usually a feeling of embarrassment, shame, or regret on the part of the person being criticized. It can also lead to negative consequences such as loss of respect, demotion, or termination of employment. In some cases, a dressing down may motivate the person to improve their performance and behavior, but it can also be demoralizing and damaging to their self-esteem.